Change to 4. That's another wicket. Rashwin has been dismissed. Excellent bowling by Kaushik.
Hi all, welcome to Conversation Series by Kalagrantha, the Art Hub team. Engineer, content developer, cricketer, bowling star from Karnataka. Today we have V. Kaushik sharing his journey with us.
Change to 4. That's another wicket. Rashwin has been dismissed. Excellent bowling by Kaushik.
My name is Kaushik V. I'm 27-year-old. I am currently part of Karnataka Ranji Trophy team. I'm a right-arm fast bowler, and that is my professional cricketing career. And apart from that, I work for Central Tax and Customs. Yes, that's it about me.
How did your journey start into cricket?
My journey into cricket was like most Indians. As you know, cricket is the most followed game in our country, and I was one of those kids who was fascinated with the sport. And I started playing cricket since my school days. I think the first beginning was through my dad. He used to come and bowl to me in our. We used to stay in railway quarters before. So I started playing there, and I then joined an academy, cricket academy near my place. So that was my first introduction into the leather ball cricket. Since then, I've been playing continuously. Probably from fifth standard, I've been playing continuously until my current journey, which is Ranji Trophy.
Who was your role model?
My first role model would be Sachin Tendulkar, because I grew up watching him play on TV, and I was lucky enough to meet him a couple of times in Chinnaswamy Stadium as well, and I used to adore him a lot. So he was my idol when I was growing up, and when I had taken up cricket. And then probably after I started bowling, after I started being a fast bowler, I used to idolize Glenn McGrath as my kind of watching guru or something. Probably I used to like him bowl every time. So yeah, he would be my second idol or something.
How was the feeling when you were playing for Karnataka Ranji Trophy?
Yes, it was a very good feeling. I always had this dream of playing for a first class team. So it was, you can call it as a dream come true for me. I always wanted myself to be called as a first class cricketer. It's a tag, you get it for a lifetime. Not every uh, person can play first class cricket. So I even happened to be the 295th player to play for Karnataka. So I was very happy making my debut against Tamil Nadu.
Why did you choose cricket?
Cricket happened because most of us used to play cricket during childhood. It was the go-to game whenever we had time, or whenever there was. We played a lot of games in during our childhood, but cricket happened to be my the sport which I used to like a lot, and I used to watch a lot of cricket. So yeah, that was the reason I choose cricket probably.
How was your parents' support for your cricket journey?
My parents has been the biggest support so far. I think they've gone through a lot of sacrifices. Uh, uh, I think mostly every parent who allow their children to play cricket probably might be doing that. It's almost the same case in my thing, and I'm very lucky in that sense. Saying my parents never pressurized me to do any kind of stream saying you have to do this, you have to do that. No, they gave me a lot of freedom to choose whatever field I'm good at. Probably I felt that somewhere there is uh, I felt that I am little excelling in the cricketing field, so they allowed me to do that without putting any kind of pressure, saying do whatever you want to do, like there is no pressure from home. And I think even my brother, I would like to mention him as well. He's our part of the family as well. So both my parents and my brother has been the biggest support.
Has the COVID situation made time tough for aspiring cricketers?
Yes, to be honest, yeah, I think we, as playing cricket, we usually stay out of home for most of the days. We stay in the ground for a lot of days, practicing, playing matches, and traveling and stuff. But this situation has made us to stay at home for a longer period. I think it's been like started in the month of March, it's August now, almost 5 months, and there is no proper practice, no proper workout. I think times are changing now. Initially, first 2 months it was very difficult. We could not get out of our houses, so it turned out to be a very difficult situation. You can say it's not so bad. It was little difficult to work out at home, stay at home for the whole day, and finding other hobbies to do, because during season time we hardly get time to do other stuff. So this was like a life changing times to do other stuff, and yeah, quite difficult to adjust to this. Now I think it's been fine. It's been like five months post that, so things are getting back to normal, and even we are finding places to work out and practice.
Which is your most memorable match till now?
Most memorable match, I think I played couple of matches which turned out to be uh, most nervous matches I've played. I think the first Ranji Trophy match which I played was I felt that was most memorable because we were playing against our arch rivals, Tamil Nadu, and the result came out on the fourth day, last over, third ball. So we had to wait till that time, and we didn't know which way it would turn out until the last over. So I think that was one of those matches, and probably that Surat final, T20 Syed Mustaq Ali. Uh, I think we won by 1 run against Tamil Nadu. I think that was the most nervous match I've ever played so far. I think those two matches would be the most memorable moments on the field.
How was your experience as mechanical engineer and working with Amazon?
It was good because I was actually very good at studies as well. I secured good marks in 10th and 12th. So probably I had not played so much of cricket that time. I had not represented my state. So I thought, and I never knew that I was so talented regarding the sport, and I just used to play the sport for fun sake. So I never represented the state. So I thought after 12th I actually took up engineering because I had decent marks. So I happened to choose mechanical engineering as my stream. So I did fairly well there as well. I secured the first class distinction in my engineering stream, and after that I guess I took a break for some time, then played under 23, and since I was not doing anything, I took up job in Amazon. I worked there as I worked there for around 1.5 years. So it was good, but I used to feel little bit hectic working in IT industry and playing cricket together. So then I later shifted to Central Tax and Customs through sports quota.
How did you balance your professional and cricket life?
Now it's been fine because we have been recruited under sports quota, so we don't get to work so much, and we get off on duty leaves whenever we play state matches and other tournaments, other state running tournaments. So there won't be much pressure from our office officials. I mean, from the office part of view. So we get to play freely, and there won't be much pressure. You can say that.
What is your next big move as soon as the pandemic settles down?
I think getting back to where we left out. Probably we left out after playing we lost in the Ranji semi-finals. We were up to the mark till there. I think we left out after that. So the main focus is to get back the fitness and start bowling well and start playing matches once the government relaxation came out. So I think yeah, getting back to fitness and practicing is my main thing.
If you are given a chance to pick an IPL team to play in, for which will it be and why?
I think being a Kannadiga, my first choice would be RCB. I think that's the local team, and everyone aspires to play for RCB someday. And I don't know, I'll be happy if I get picked by any team for that matter. So I think I'll be happy with RCB or any other team.
How do you feel about this interview?
I think it's a nice experience. You're getting in touch with the local players. People, I think, only know about IPL or Indian players, and that part of cricket where we get into that stage. Before that, people won't be recognizing us. Probably people who follow Ranji would be knowing us. Other people, you can reach out to those people, that these people are putting efforts in Ranji Trophy, which is first class cricket, the level of cricket one behind India or India A. So it's a nice initiative that you guys are doing and reaching out to first class players.
Thank you for your time and sharing your experience with us.
Thanks for asking me these questions, and I'm happy with the way it went out. Thanks.
Change to
For more conversation series, workshop, regular classes and performances, do not forget to like, subscribe and share Kalagrantha The Art Hub page.
simple catch to Manish Pandey. One more wicket down for Tamil Nadu. Karnataka have really come back well in the game.